Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video. This is our business studies from 2024 grade 9. So we are going to tackle this question 2, that is dealing with trial balance. If you're watching for the first time, remember to support, subscribe and share this video. So without much further ado, let's now dive into this video. The question reads, the following trial balance was extracted from Alan Lumboy's books prepared by an inexperienced bookkeeper. The trial balance for the year ended 30 October 2019. So you can see that we have this table where we can see the entries and all the details that you need to put or that attach to a trial balance. And then from there we have sales, stock, purchases, creditors, debtors, furniture, electricity, bills, capital. Now what you can see from this part is that the question says record redraft the trial balance with the correct title. Okay, so you start with the title. Okay, we have to know that the trial balance comes with a title. Okay, so now let's see how we can go about that one. Now you have to understand that the trial balance actually has the title, so you're going to say so maybe I can capitalize this. So Alan, Alan Lumboy Alan Lumboy's trial balance as at 30th. Okay, so this is 30th October 2019. Okay, so just for you to collect this the title, this is going to give you a mark, so make sure that you understand what you're doing so that you don't just get confused. So what I'm just going to do now, I'm going to replicate this table. Okay, I'm going to replicate this table, and just to ensure that everything is written except the numbers. Okay, so then we can begin to have this. Just first withdraw. So do it first. Okay. Then also this part we're going to close it. Okay, so then what you have there is DR. Okay, so this is going to be DR, that is a debit, and then we have the N, that is Ngwe, and then we also have this, also we have that, and the Ngwe is there. Okay, and then this is going to be followed by this small line. Okay, so I'm just trying to replicate. I'm just trying to replicate these guys. Okay, So after that, let me just put in, we have sales, and then we have stock, and then we also have purchases, and then we also have creditors, and then you also have debtors. We also have furniture and electricity bills. Okay, and then you also have capital. Okay, capital. Okay, and then from there now, so what is going to happen now is what are we going to do now? Okay, so we're just going to now close off this part. Okay, so okay, so now you can see that we have closed this part. So we are closing. Okay, so now you can see that we have something very neat. Okay, now what you have, sales is on the credit side, so that is the normal way of entering sales. So I'm just going to maintain it. Okay, so this is going to be 4,963. Then we have the ngweis there, and then the stock. Stock is always on the debit side, so this is going to be 2460. Okay, and then we have purchases. It is on the credit side, just to be on the debit side. So put purchases 4,000 on the debit side. Okay, so these are ngweis. Okay, and then creditors. So creditors, this is on the debit, so the correct way to put it should be on the credit side. With how much? 25.3. So creditors is going to 25.23, and is there. Okay, and then debtors, we all know that we put debtors on the debit side, but it was on the credit, so we have to recorrect it by entering it on the debit side. So 2080, so this is going to be 2008, and then the ngwe is 00. Furniture, this is a fixed asset, so it is entered correctly, so just maintain that one, which is just going to be 47, so 4730 00. And then electricity bills, this is an expense, so all expenses are entered on the debit side, so this is going to be, so this is 720. And then capital, we know that it was wrongly entered, so we have to put it on credit side. With how much? 6504. So this is going to be 6504. So 6504. Okay. So then once you have to, now you get your calculator now. Okay, you get your calculator, so you add the totals on the debit. This will just give you what, 13,990, and then also on this part to give you the same number, 13,990. Okay, and then also the ngwe is there, you have 0000. Okay, so this means that it is balanced on both sides, rather on both debit and credit, we have the same numbers. Okay, so that's how you're supposed to answer this question. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to support, subscribe, and also share this video. So this is for grade 9 work, but also if you're doing accounts and you are in grade 11 or 12, you're writing this year, this is going also to help you. So I encourage you to revise this question, rather go through the answer, so that you can really also understand how to just be able to put which item goes to the debit side of the trial balance and the credit side. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.